Hey guys, here we have a simple and quick remedy for white and healthy clean teeth. Now I've mixed a spoonful of coconut oil and we've heated that up a little bit until it was melted, and we added a little spoon of curcuma. This is so good for your teeth. This will brighten your teeth up right away. You can just dip your toothbrush and basically you'll get a toothpaste consistency. Not if it's melted, as you can see it's really liquidy, but it will get harder if the temperature is colder. Either way, it's a little bit of a mess here, sorry about that. But yes, this you should do once, twice, or 3 times a day, and you will have really healthy and clean